Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious halal chicken over rice. First, it's essential to grasp the fundamental principles of halal food. This means selecting only Zabiha halal chicken, sourced from a certified supplier, ensuring ethical and permissible practices. Additionally, verify that all other ingredients are halal certified and free from any non-permissible elements, guaranteeing a truly authentic and compliant meal for everyone to enjoy. Now, let's prepare our halal chicken. Begin by marinating your chicken pieces in a blend of halal-certified spices and creamy yogurt for at least 30 minutes to infuse flavor. Cook the chicken until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's perfectly safe and tender. Once cooked, shred or dice the chicken into bite-sized pieces, ready to be combined with our flavorful rice. Next, we'll focus on the perfect accompaniments. Cook fluffy basmati rice using a 2-to-1 ratio of water to rice, ensuring each grain is separate and tender. For the iconic white sauce, combine halal mayonnaise, a touch of white vinegar, and a secret blend of spices for that authentic taste. Finally, assemble your dish by layering the fragrant rice, topping it with the succulent chicken, and generously drizzling with the creamy white sauce. To complete your halal chicken over rice, garnish it with crisp shredded lettuce, diced fresh tomatoes, and a dash of your favorite hot sauce for an extra kick. This creates a vibrant and flavorful meal that's perfect for sharing with family and friends. Enjoy the rich flavors and the satisfaction of preparing an authentic halal dish right in your own kitchen. For a great reading experience, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.